If you want to add a step counter on a Redmi 15, first of all, we're gonna go to the Play Store, then open the search, and let's search for an app that is called Fitbit. This is an app that is made by Google. Over here we can install it for free. There's also a small chance that it will be pre-installed on your smartphone, although I'm pretty sure it won't be, actually. So in case it is not, you can just download it for free. And once we install the app, of course, we want to open it. So let's go ahead and do this. And we will have to quickly set it up, but you can just sign in with your Google account and then just continue. If you have any prompts on the screen, in the meantime, then of course, just complete them or follow them in order to start using the app. And you might also need to set permissions, so we can just press over here on this button, and there we go. Once you are done, once you see steps over here, you can go back to the home screen and we can add a widget to the home screen that will show us the step counter. So we're gonna press and hold our finger on an empty area, on a blank space, and over here we're gonna go to widgets, and now we need to find the Fitbit app over here. So let's see if we can find it somewhere. And there we go, we have it at the bottom. So now I'm gonna just use this, let's say 2x2 widget over here. I'm just gonna add it. Maybe let's move it to another page. And there we go, we have the step counter. We can press done. And this is how we can check how many steps we have done in a given day. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.